A while ago, we replaced our slate flooring with this LVP flooring, but that left gaps underneath the casings of each door. I looked everywhere for a cheap solution, and this is what I came up with. I found these MDF plinths at Lowe's, and they were cheap, only $3 each, and already primed. I used the same paint as the baseboards and gave them a quick spray with my HVLP sprayer. Using an offcut, I made this template that was the same size as the plinths. I used this template as a base for the multi-tool to write on so that I could accurately cut out a spot for these plinths to go. Once I had a line scribed, I was able to remove the template and cut out the rest of the casing and baseboard. I then used a utility knife to score a line between the casing and the door frame to help it separate easier. I then used my dust extractor with Cyclone to clean up the mess. For additional video and information on this dust extractor, see one of my other videos linked below. The door jamb and drywall didn't line up perfectly, so off camera, I cut this rabbet on my table saw. This allowed the plinth or molding block to sit flush. I thought I could just glue these plinths in as opposed to nailing them in. That way I don't have to repair any of the nail holes, and I figure if any of them come loose, I can always glue and nail them in the future. I threw a little blue tape on it to hold them in place, and they stuck great. Next, I'm using some caulk to fill in between the plinths and baseboards to remove the visible transition line. Don't judge me too hard on this caulking job. It was difficult to do around the camera, and the others looked much better. With that transition line gone, these are starting to look great. With the caulk dried, the last thing to do is some touch-up paint on those transitions. And there you have it. Overall, a pretty easy solution to this problem. I ended up doing 18 of these, and it didn't take me much more than a weekend to complete. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.